Good morning, Jack.
Good morning, Sarah. How did you sleep?
I slept well, thank you. How about you?
Not bad. I woke up early today.
That's great. Did you have breakfast?
Not yet. I'm thinking of making some eggs and tea.
Sounds good. Don't forget to drink water first.
Yes, you always remind me.
Hey, Jack, are you done with work?
Almost. I have one more meeting.
You've been so busy today.
Yeah, it's been a long day. What about you?
I cleaned the house and cooked lunch.
Wow, that's a lot of work too. What did you cook?
Just rice and chicken curry.
That's my favorite. Save some for me.
Sure. Come over and eat.
Sarah, are you watching something?
Yes, just a movie. Want to join?
Sure. What's the movie about?
It's a romantic comedy. Very funny.
Nice. I could use a good laugh after work.
Bring some snacks then.
On my way with popcorn.
Perfect. See you soon. It's getting late, Jack. Time to sleep.
Yeah, I'm really tired.
Sleep. Did you enjoy the movie?
Yes, it was fun. Thanks for inviting me.
Anytime. Good night, Jack.
Good night, Sarah. Sweet dreams.